Hey guys, in previous episode we installed the rear mud flaps, and in this episode we're going to install the front mud flaps. Um, these are slightly harder to install because they are actually meant for non-TI models, so it's a little bit more difficult with the side skirt. But there are a lot of TI 159 TIs that have these mud flaps, so they do fit. And I think it looks really cool. And a friend of mine on Instagram gave me some good tips on how to install these. So yeah, let's start with the installation. Guys, the front mud flaps are fixed to the fender with 5 clips and 2 screws, and we're gonna add 1 extra screw because of the side skirt, and yeah, then it should be in place. So let's install the mud flap. So guys, the clips are in. They were a little bit fiddly, but yeah, they work. Now the only thing I need to do is add the bolt here, and just add a little extra screw right here, because of the side skirt it can vibrate a little bit. So I'm gonna place a little screw so that it's fixed, and then do the same thing on the other side. And then the mud flaps are installed. So yeah, let's go ahead. guys the spare screw that we have. We're going to put them in here so that we don't have play on this this mud flap here, and it's nice and tight, adjacent to the side skirt. So guys, the front mud flap at the right side is installed. I'm going to finish up with the other side, and then do a little test drive to see if nothing rubs against the wheels, and if everything is okay. So yeah, see you in a bit. So guys, the mud flaps are installed and I think they look really cool, especially with the TI side skirts and the TI wheels. I think yeah, it looks really cool. It makes the 159 look a little bit more muscular, but it's still quite elegant, and it's all original, so I think that's really cool. Yeah, I've now covered a fair amount of miles with it, and the tires are not rubbing against the mud flaps, so that's good. So yeah, really happy with it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Also, we hit 1,000 subscribers, and that is one of the requirements to get your channel monetized. The other one is the viewing hours. So yeah, I want to thank you for 1,000 subscribers. That means a lot to me. So really thank you. That's to you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching my videos. There's a lot of cool content coming for the 159 and the Brera, so hopefully I see you next video. So yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the mud flaps, and yeah, hope to see you next episode. Bye.